नमस्कार भावसार मित्रांनो, माझं नाव महेश विजय नाझरे आहे. तुमचं भावसार उद्योग समूहामध्ये स्वागत. मी गेले 10 वर्ष झाले रिक्रुटमेंट कन्सल्टन्सी आहे माझी आणि अख्ख्या पॅन इंडियामध्ये मी काम करतो. लोकांना जॉब देण्याचं काम करतो. आज आपण रेझ्युमे रायटिंग, बायोडेटा रायटिंग या विषयावर चर्चा करणार आहोत. मी आज आपल्याशी इंग्लिश आणि मराठी या दोन्ही माध्यमातून बोलणार आहे, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित रेझ्युमे रायटिंग हा विषय कळेल. आता रेझ्युमे रायटिंग हा विषय का महत्त्वाचा आहे हे तुम्हाला सांगतो. चांगलं रेझ्युमे जे असतं ना, त्यांना चांगलं करिअर मिळतं, चांगलं जॉब मिळतं आणि चांगल्या कंपनीत ते व्यवस्थित चांगलं काम करू शकतं. सध्या काम करणं ही इन्फॉर्मेशन त्या रेझ्युमेमध्ये टाकणं हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. सध्या करोनाची स्थिती आहे. सध्या अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट खूप वाढलेलं आहे. म्हणजे काय, काम कमी आणि लोक जास्त. तर आपण थोडं पुढं येऊन आपलं रेझ्युमे कसं चांगलं बनवू शकतो आणि चांगलं जॉब कसं मिळवू शकतो हे आज आपण इथे व्यवस्थित शिकणार आहोत. चला तर, इंटरव्ह्यूला जाण्याचे पॅरामीटर्स काय असतात. पहिले सर्वात महत्त्वाचं जी गोष्ट आहे ती रिझ्यूम रायटिंग आहे. त्याच्यानंतर येतं कवर लेटर. त्याच्यानंतर असतं ग्रुप डिस्कशन. ग्रुप डिस्कशन हे यंग मुलांसाठी असतं, जे नवीन पासआउट झालेले मुलं आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी असतं. देन कम्स इंटरव्ह्यू. इंटरव्ह्यूज इज अ फेस टू फेस राऊंड. नाउ स्काईप राउंड्स ऑल्सो हॅपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड कंडिशन्स. देन लास्टली ग्रूमिंग. when you go for an interview, what kind of grooming you have to do is very important. Now again comes to the importance of resume. Resume is our representative. It represents us. It also gives a first impression. When you write a good resume, that means you have come from a good company. You have come from a good culture. It helps employer to know you better. It gives information about your mobile number, your address and each and everything. So friends, when you write a resume, you have to write it on a A4 size of paper, where one side you have to put your photograph, a scanned photograph. Then on other side you have to put name, address, email and phone number. This is the upper part. Then second part is an objective part, where objective gives very good information about what are your aspiration. You don't have to use words like I, we, then, there. Then comes academic qualification. It gives in a tabular form. I'll just explain with few demo resumes which I have taken it just for you people. Then comes your experience. An experienced candidate has to put his experience in place of work, skill set, then performances, achievement is important for him. Technical skills also can be put by a fresher candidate, where computer skills are also involved in that. A project skills also involved in that. For an experienced candidate, some experience in technical skills also he can put, which I'll just show you with a good candidate what I'm having with me. Then comes other skills, where you can put all the what involvement you have done in last 3, 4, 6 years of your career. Personal information like date of birth, then name, languages you know, strength and all. And lastly friends, declaration. Declaration is nothing but whatever information you have put in this resume is up to date of your knowledge, is very correct up to your knowledge. And lastly friends, date, the place from where you are coming and your sign and signature. This is a protocol you have to follow when you show your resume. Hence friends, just आज आपण एक 3 ते 4 रेझ्युमे बघू. त्या रेझ्युमे मध्ये कळेल आपल्याला. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स, वी आर गोइंग टू सी द रेझ्युमे ऑफ वन कैंडिडेट, वेयर ही हैज गिवन अ फोटोग्राफ एंड CTC, the cost to the company, the salary is earning per year, he has given the details. Then career objective, if you see, is given a one line of career objective in this, a very simple one, no jargons have been put here. Personal expertise is given, qualification is given this. Qualification in a tabular form, a column, horizontal, vertical way. Qualification is given, board is given, year of passing is given, entire thing, and the division is given. This gives a complete information about the year he has passed from. Then the internship also is given, where company is, after the education, internship is must have done of 60 days or 90 days is given in this. Then comes research projects, area of specializations, previous company, employment history is been given here, where the company is working, Om Logistic, and from 2015 to 2018, 3 years, that is a stable candidate. He is a very stable candidate. Then previous also he has worked in some different companies. Job responsibilities which he has withheld in this companies, all the entire information he has given. This is also very important. A recruitment company looks into this. Then computer proficiency is always important. Then personal details, as I rightly said, is given. The date of birth is very important here. The mail ID is important. The mobile number and from where is coming. Lastly, declaration, what I said you, is given. Hence, this is a very nice resume is written. Then for an experienced candidate, we are going to see what is a cover letter. In this cover letter, he has given the experience he is having, the sector he is working into, the position designation he is working into, and some additional information about this cover letter. A candidate can give a cover letter which also gives a good importance with his resume. Of course, again information about his mail ID, mobile number, objective is given, software exposure is given here, technical knowledge what is withheld, then job responsibilities is given in this, present status where is coming, working in the company Cargo Motors, where assistant working as a assistant general manager, and the date is given, is a stable candidate, presently working with which company is also given in this, experience is given, total experience with what other things he has done in the company, activities also is given in this, which also create good importance about this resume. Training is also important given this resume. Education part, you should have written a tabular form which was very easy to understand. And lastly, personal detail information. In friends, if you see, most of the points are in bullet points given to by the candidates, all in paragraphs, avoiding paragraphs and in bullet points, backup with qualities and strength every time, font size also he has taken care of. Then we will go to some different resume, is a one-page resume. Now in this social media network, now resumes are coming in one-page resume. I'll just show it to you, where if you see there is no fancy thing in this. Yeah, this is a one page of resume. A social media candidate is giving resumes in this particular way. Candidate name is given, his designation is given here, personal profile, skills, also skill set is given here, then tools and platform he is using in this social media network, certification is given, contact information, mobile, email, and LinkedIn, Instagram. Being a social media candidate is giving entire information. If you see working as a pay-per-click marketing analyst, position designation is important. Companies where he is working in retail e-commerce sector since June 2019 he is working, completed 1 year, stable candidate, previously has worked for 2 years, almost 16 months he has worked with particular company, stable candidate. Education also is given in very brief detailed way, and accomplishment which gives a declaration also, that achievements and everything which we discussed. This is a one page of resume what we have shown. Then friends, I'll show you one candidate. He is Dr. Adesh Phalke. He is also a very nice candidate. His photograph is on the right hand side, scanned photograph. Don't put a stapled photograph, blue photograph. See if you can put a scanned photograph, gives a very good importance. and that a candidate is giving importance to that job, that is a very important. Job objective, profile, then work experience, where he is working into, then roles and responsibilities in that company, highlights and everything is given. Then skill set is given, achievements, of course, what I rightly said, 4 points. Education wise, he has given what kind of education, MBBS he has done. Then personal details like date of birth, address and language. This is one of the very important resume which we have shown it to you. Hence friends, I would like to suggest you few more things. Friends, I would suggest don't do for a resume. No fancy paper, only A4 size of paper you have to use. Then no jargons to be used. Do not include negative information about any company you are having. Then take a printout and check. Proofreading has to be done. All spellings have to be corrected through proofreading. Grammar has to be checked. Watch date, time, place, everywhere, address in a proper way you have to put. Now friends, I will give my company information to you. See, we are working as a placement consultant for last 10 years, I said you. Now we have started working on resume writing of a candidate, then few mock interviews we work on. You can contact me. My name is Mahesh Nazare, COC Placements, Pune City. My mobile number is given here. My mail ID is also given. And of course, my website is there, www.cocplacement.com. Hence friend, तर मित्रांनो, आज आपण शिकलो की आज आपण रेझ्युमे कसं लिहायचं, रेझ्युमेचं इम्पॉर्टन्स काय, तुम्ही फोटो लावण्याचं काय इम्पॉर्टन्स आहे, तुम्ही तुमचे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह लिहिण्याचं काय महत्त्वाचं आहे. तसंच फ्रेंड, मी तुम्हाला अजून एक सांगतो की आपण बऱ्याच गोष्टी आता पुढे जाऊन शिकणार आहोत. इंटरव्ह्यू स्किल्स कसे असतात, इंटरव्ह्यूला जाताना ग्रूमिंग कसं करायचं, आणि बऱ्याच काही गोष्टी असतात ते तुम्हाला पुढे जाऊन इंटरव्ह्यू देण्यासाठी खूप व्यवस्थित राहतील. मॉक इंटरव्ह्यूज राहतील बऱ्याचशा, आणि ह्या गोष्टी पुढे जाऊन तुम्हाला फार महत्त्व राहील. तर मित्रांनो, तुम्ही मला एवढा वेळ दिल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. आणि भावसार उद्योग कोर कमिटी यांनी पण मला एक इम्पॉर्टन्स दिलं आणि काम दिलं हे करण्यासाठी, तर धन्यवाद सर, धन्यवाद.